Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning I will be showing you guys how to make tea before school or even before work. So in this video all you're gonna need is your cup. This is mint. You don't have to use mint. If you have a tea bag, you can also use a tea bag. If you do have tea bag, you can also use a tea bag, but today I'll be using mint in my tea. Or if you have Lipton, you can also use Lipton in your tea, whatever you choose to use. And the next item, you're gonna need sugar. So what I'm gonna do now is we have our pot over here on the stove. So we're going to fill this up with water, not too much. So now we're going to fill the pot with water. And we're going to turn it on. So after we make our pot heat, I am going to wash my mint first before I throw it in the pot. So because I'm using mint this morning, I will be washing my mint first. If you use tea bag, you don't have to wash your tea bag, but I have to wash my mint. So guys, after I wash my mint, I'm going to put it in the pot. And then we're going to leave our pot to boil. So we're gonna give it around minutes to boil and then we'll get back. So guys, in the meantime, while my tea is making, I will be having a banana in the meantime. So guys, we're gonna check on our tea. So that's how my tea is looking. So we're gonna turn the pot off. Then we're going to throw our tea in our cup. Make sure to use a strainer so you can strain all the mint off. We don't want the mint to get in the cup. Guys, if you are using mint to make your tea, you can also use this more than once. Or if you have enough, you can just throw this away. But now I'm going to throw this away because I have a lot of mint. But as I said before, you can use this more than once. So guys, what we're going to do next is we're going to mix our tea with our sugar. So after I put a couple of sugar in there, I'm going to taste it and make sure it's not too sweet or not too fresh. I think we need a little bit more sugar. So now we're going to taste it again. And I think that's it for our tea. Hey guys, I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.